I am writing to express my interest in the job title position at company name. As an experienced profession, I am excited about the opportunity to contribute to company name. I am particularly drawn to this role because of specific reason related to the company or job. My background in field or skill aligns well with the requirements of the job. In my previous role at previous company, I specific achievement or responsibility. I am particularly proud of a specific project or achievement. I believe my skills in Skill 1 and Skill 2 will be particularly beneficial for company name. During my time at previous company, I developed a deep understanding of relevant industry or skill. My experience with specific tool, process, or technology will allow me to contribute effectively in this role. I am excited about the chance to bring my unique skills to company name, a leader in company's field. One of my most significant accomplishments was specific achievement, which directly relates to your needs and job title. I have always admired company name for its something admirable about the company. I am eager to bring my expertise in skill or field to your team. In addition to my professional qualifications, I have personal quality or experience that I believe aligns with company's mission values. My professional journey so far has equipped me with a comprehensive skill set and the ability to adapt to various environments and teams. I am particularly impressed with company name's commitment to something the company is known for. I thrive in fast-paced environments and am confident in my ability to meet the challenges of this role. I am passionate about relevant interest or skill and see an exciting opportunity for growth with company name. I have a proven track record of specific accomplishment or skill in my previous roles. I am confident that my experience in field or skill makes me a suitable candidate for this position. The opportunity to work for company name excites me because of specific reason. I am committed to specific goal or value that aligns with the company. I would be thrilled to bring my Skill 1 and Skill 2 to your company. My approach to relevant work or problem solving aligns well with your company's goals. I have a strong foundation in skill or field and continue to seek opportunities for growth and development. I am particularly skilled in specific skill and have had significant success in specific area. My previous role at company taught me the importance of specific lesson or skill. I am adept at specific skill or task and have been commended for specific achievement. I bring a unique perspective and approach to job responsibility or skill. I am highly motivated and consistently strive to achieve specific goal or standard. I believe that my background in field skill would bring a unique angle to your team. My enthusiasm for specific aspect of the job or industry is one of my greatest strengths. I am known for specific trait or skill in my professional circle. In my previous role, I successfully specific achievement or task which I believe is relevant to your needs. I am eager to apply my skills in field or skill in a dynamic environment like company name. I have always been passionate about specific interest related to the job or company. I am looking for an opportunity where I can contribute and grow, and I see that possibility at company name. My experience at previous company has prepared me well for the challenges presented by the job title role. I am particularly interested in this job because it would allow me to use my specific skill or experience. I am dedicated to continual learning and development, which I see as a crucial part of this role. Through my career, I have developed a comprehensive perspective on specific aspect of the industry or job. My experience in specific field or skill aligns well with the job requirements listed. I have consistently aimed for excellence in my professional endeavors and believe I can bring this level of commitment to company name. I am excited about the opportunity to leverage my unique skill set at company name. My goal has always been to work in a role where I can impact specific goal or outcome. The position at company name stood out to me because of its commitment to something related to the company's values or goals. I am particularly adept at skill, which I understand is critical for the job title role. My approach to relevant task or challenge has always been characterized by specific trait or method. I have a demonstrated ability to specific skill or achievement which I believe will be valuable in this role. I am excited at the prospect of being part of company name and contributing to its success in the specific field or area.